How to set up autopay for Old Navy credit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to set up autopay for Old Navy credit card. So first thing first, just head over to your Old Navy credit card account through Barclays US website or mobile app and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, look for the section related to the payments or make a payment, and this might be under a payments tab or within your account summary. So once you select that, first within the payment option you should find the settings to set up automatic payments or recurring payments. And once you successfully do that, just select whether you want to pay the minimum amount due to a specific amount or the full balance, and choose the date each month when you want the payment to be made, typically between 1st and 28th of the month. And review your selection, set the settings to activate automatic payments. You can also set up the payment alerts to receive notifications about upcoming payments, which ensures that you have sufficient funds in your account. So after setting up the autopay, verify that your next scheduled payment is up correctly and the payment method is accurate. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.